Peace, friends. This is Cam. Welcome back to Plants on High, where I create holistic lifestyle content. And today, I'm going to be meal prepping a few things for this week. And so I want to share that with y'all. So the first thing I'm going to be meal prepping are some smoothie bowls. Now I got some cherries, I've got some dates, some strawberries, and some blueberries. And for the toppings, I'm going to be using some fresh strawberries, some that mixed nut butter from my grocery haul video that I share with y'all. Oh yeah, and I got some frozen bananas that I prepped as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. Got my water, and I got these containers off of Amazon at some point last year. But yeah, I'm gonna be using those to meal prep these smoothie bowls. So yeah, I like to add my bananas first at the bottom because they're a lot creamier, and I can, get that creamy texture, that creamy consistency going. And so yeah, adding that. Then I'm going to be adding some cherries and some blueberries for this one, along with some dates for that sweetness. Yes. The bananas will help it, be sweet, but also the dates, it makes it, a lot sweeter. So I love my dates, y'all. Love those dates. So yeah, I'm excited about this meal prep. I'm going to be meal prepping a lot more. And so, yeah, I'll be trying to share that with y'all more and more. I'll likely have the same meal prepped items over and over and over and over again until I get tired of it, which probably won't happen because if it's good for me, I just rather just go ahead and keep having it. You feel me? So, yep, adding those cherries. And then I'm going to add some blueberries as well. And y'all, when I say that these smoothie bowls were a hit. They were a hit. Y'all gotta try to make some smoothie bowls and just put them in the freezer. Pull it out when you're ready to eat it. Like pull it out like probably like about 10-15 minutes before you're actually ready to eat it, and let it sit. Melt just a little bit, just enough to get that smoothie bowl consistency. And yeah, have it. Like it's real quick to make, and it's real simple, to prepare. Like as far as when it's time to eat it, like you just take it out and let it sit for a little bit, and boom, and it's a hit. Like we've been killing them. We have been killing them. They've been great. And you can do it however you want. We chose to go ahead and start with the berries or whatever this particular week, but in the future, I'm gonna be doing a mango. For sure, because we love mango, and yeah, something else. But I definitely like to keep things simple for sure. It just makes everything simple. But I finished making that smoothie bowl, and I think my blender had like stopped working because yeah, it was spinning too much. But I still got it to a decent enough consistency. So I was still able to, make that smoothie bowl the way that I desired. And so, yeah, I think, yeah, I'm only making two here, but I did, after my blender went back to normal, I did go back and make probably like four or 4 to 6 more, actually. No, not six. Definitely not six. Probably like four more. Yeah, like four more of those smoothie bowls. And I think I did like a strawberry with the banana one, and then like an all blueberry one. And banana, of course. But yeah, so I was able to go ahead and do that. I topped it with some strawberries, banana, a mixed nut butter that I got from Costco in that last haul, along with some honey. So this is definitely a plant-based option. If you're vegan, just opt out for the honey and just try agave nectar or nothing at all because it's still sweet. It has bananas and dates, so it's still sweet, but I just wanted some added nutrients with the honey. So yeah, but look at that. Great. Beautiful. All right, so moving on to the next meal. I made this huge bowl of kale salad, and this kale salad was so bomb. Like, I wish y'all can see my face so y'all know that I ain't lying. But it was delicious. It was great. And I kept it really, really simple. I actually changed the recipe a little bit as far as like my final recipe. And I will share with y'all at some point during this video what changed or whatever. But here I am just I actually soaked the kale along with the dandelion in a fruit and vegetable cleaner or wash. And yeah, I'm drying it, and taking all of the kale leaves off of the stem as well. And just, putting it on the bowl. And then I'm going to cut it all up with my hands or tear it all apart with my hands. And then I'm going to add some oil and massage it. So yeah, here I am keeping the stems. I'm just going to throw them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in the freezer so that I can add them to smoothies or other smoothie bowls at a later date. And yeah, I'm just having some fun, y'all. I like to listen to music when I am cooking and preparing meals and things like that. So yeah, I'm just having some fun. I hope y'all feel it. Hope y'all can vibe with me, You can't hear the music, but it's all good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this because this took a long time. But I'm gonna add this avocado oil. This is the oil that I'm gonna use to massage my kale and make it all tender and delicious and yeah, chewable, digestible, digestible. Yep, this is what you do to break down the cell walls of this kale to make it more digestible. And I think sometimes I'll use like the olive oil as well. I have some olive oil behind me too. And I'll use that too sometimes. I like the olive oil flavor a little bit better. But it just depends on how I'm feeling. I was feeling the avocado oil today, I guess. And so I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am chewing my tongue. Oh, when I am concentrating and I'm focused, y'all, I chew my tongue. This is hilarious. I should have like clipped that part out, but it's all good. This is me. This is me. Got my little one in the kitchen. She keeps coming in there. She helps me sometimes, but sometimes she just feels like she's too busy to help me, or she may not want to get her hands dirty or whatever. So yeah, I'm testing the food. Here we are once again. Y'all know I like to test the food as I go. And yep, it needed a little more tenderized in there. But I also like to record with my other phone to get some clips for Instagram as well. I got some radish sprouts here that I'm going to add. These radish sprouts, they be hitting. They got like a little spice to it. And look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh, nature is so beautiful. But yeah, got a little spice to it. Nice. It has a nice flavor. I like the radish sprouts, y'all. So yeah, I'm going to add probably about half of those in there because I'm going to make another salad in like 2 or 3 days. So then I got some dandelion as well. And dandelion, I had a piece of it on my last video, and I was like, yep, that's dandelion for sure because it got this, strong taste. But yeah, I'm going to chop that up and put that in there as well, for some more leafy green nutrients for sure. We need all that. All this stuff going around these days, we need all the greens we can get. You feel me? Yes. I don't know why I'm struggling to like figure out how to cut this. I was trying to be efficient, but I don't know if I really was or not. But whatever, it still got the job done. So I think this particular day too, I made some hearty bowls or nourish bowls or Buddha bowls, however you want to call it. But yeah, a lot of these same ingredients I use in the hearty bowl as well. Just turned into a bowl. So now I'm going to add some tomatoes. I got to have some tomatoes in my salad. Like, I don't care what kind of salad I have. I need some tomatoes, period. So yeah, I'm going to add quite a few of these here. And then I'm also going to add, what else did I add? I don't know. But I made a vegan cashew ranch to go with this as for the salad dressing. But today I made oh, look at that. Oh, look at that green goodness. Oh. Taste test, taste test. Let's see. How we looking, Cam? How we looking? Fire. Bet. That's a bet. I figured, girl. We didn't doubt you. So look, I'm gonna add these apricots. I'm gonna chop them up and add some apricots for some sweetness. This is what I was talking about when I said I kind of changed the recipe. I love these apricots. I like the flavor of the apricots in the salad, but an easier option is some raisins. It's just the raisins that I saw when I went to Sprouts. They had like added sugar or whatever, and I wasn't feeling that, you know. But I went to Whole Foods and I found some. I got their raisins. They didn't have like any added sugars or whatever, but they both work fine. If you try this recipe, they both work just fine. I like the apricot a little bit better, but the raisins work just as good. Raisins are fire. So yeah, I tried a little bit of this with the tomato and the radish and the kale and the apricot, and it was banging, banging. No salad dressing even needed. Like, I don't necessarily have to have salad dressing, but you know, salad dressing just gives it a little extra oomph, you know. I'm also gonna add a few dates for sweetness as well. At this point, I'm just trying out some different things to see what I like the best. But the dates were just so soft and mushy that, yeah, I won't use those in the future. I went ahead and added them here. And they taste really great. It was nice to get like a little pop of sweetness here and there. But yeah, they're just too mushy when it comes to cutting them up and stuff like that. They just got a little too mushy. But look at this. OMG. Look at that. That green, if y'all don't know, green is a color that I like to opt for. Well, for one, I'm a May baby. And so my birthstone is actually emerald, so green. But yeah, I just love the color of green. It's not necessarily my favorite, but I love the color of green. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It just looks like we're supposed to eat that. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, I made 6 of these bowls and I packed them things. I packed them. And we ate every bowl. I think we ran through them before the 3 days were up. But I also added some hemp seeds, hemp hearts as well. You know, some extra nutrients. I like to pretty much add this on everything. I added them on the hearty bowls as well. So yeah, I add these on everything. Why not? Like, why not? Just some seeds. They don't have much of a taste, but yep, look at that. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.